Welcome back, students. So in this session we are doing very important theorem and most wanted questions in a question paper. If you refer last year's question paper, you find it this question has been appeared twice. So written has students have written twice and got marks twice. So this theorem is Bayes theorem. Fine. So it's very important. I have written it here. So statement: if E1, E2, E3, E4 and so on up to En are mutually disjoint events. You know what is mutually disjoint events? Fine. Mutually disjoint events with probability of E of I is not equal to 0. That is I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Then for any arbitrary event A, fine, there are events E1 to En. All the events are mutually disjoint with probability of E of I is not equal to 0. Then for any arbitrary event A, which is a subset of this EI, which is a subset of S is equal to union of all EI events such that the probability of A is greater than 0, means any arbitrary event A you take, that event will be a subset of E of I such that P of A is greater than 0. So we have probability of E of A, that is E of I is already happened, or event A is already happened. Event A is already happened, thinking that already E of I is happened. That means this event A is a subset of E of I. That is conditional probability is equal to probability of E of I into probability of A bar EI. E of I will happen, thinking that A is already happened, divided by summation n to I is equal to 1 P of EI, probability of EI into probability of A bar EI. This is what the formula, and this is statement of Bayes theorem. Then comes to the proof. So this is how the diagram is. This constitutes area E1, this is E2, then and so on up to En. Fine. This is A of En, this is A of E2, this is A of E1. This complete thing is A. Fine. So since A is a subset of EI, A is a subset of EI, that is A is subset of S. Here it is given S. A is a subset of S. A is a part of S. Fine. We have A is equal to A intersection S. Means A is equal to A intersection S. That is A is equal to A intersection E of I. Because S is E of I. Union of N to I is equal to 1 E of I. So when we multiply this A intersection, what is E of I? E of I is nothing but E1, E2 up to En. So A intersection E1 union E2 union E3 union E4 and so on up to union En. Now A is equal to A into, I mean to say A intersection E1 union A intersection E2 union A intersection E3 union and so on union A intersection En. This is done by distributive law. Therefore, A is equal to union of A intersection E of I. So, when I say that all E1, E2, E3, E4, En are constitute E of I. Therefore, A intersection E of I. That means union of N to I is equal to 1, A intersection E of I. Since A intersection E of I, that is I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to N, are mutually disjoint events. So we have axiom 3 which tells that P of A is equal to probability of A intersection E of I, EI, that is equal to summation N to I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1 to N probability of A intersection EI. So that is nothing but summation I is equal to 1 to N probability of E of I into probability of A slash EI. That is equation number 1. This is written by using compound probability. Then next we know that probability of A intersection EI is equal to probability of EI into probability of A slash EI. Here it is. This is equation number 2. Same. We have written it here. Fine. Then comes next. We have probability of E of I slash A. Probability of EI bar A is equal to probability of A intersection EI divided by probability A. This is equation 3. So these are three equations. 1, 2, 3. Substituting equation 1 and 2 in 3 we get. So what is probability of A intersection E of I? That is, here it is and here it is written. Then next comes P of A. What is P of A? That is P of A is equal to, it is written it here, summation I is equal to 1 to N probability of E of I into probability of A bar E of I. It is written here. So this is how the program is, the theorem is proved. So please practice this theorem. Don't leave it. It is almost compulsory question. Either they will ask addition theorem or multiplication theorem or Bayes theorem. Out of three, one is compulsory for 8 marks. Thank you.